Welcome back to RPL Service YouTube channel or IGTV. So today in science experiment we are going to make this cloud slime. So this is really fun to make, okay? And then it's stretched so. Have you seen it before? And then do you want to know like what supplies you need? So all you need today is a bowl like so, and then Elmer's glue, and then I use the white Elmer's glue. If you want to use the clear one, that's fine with me. And then you need water, of course. And then you need measuring cup. I have 1/4, 1/2, and 1 tablespoon measuring cup. You probably wonder why do we need a 1 tablespoon of measuring cup? Because we're going to use instant snow powder. So these I found it at Amazon, but you don't have to find the same exact one. You can find any different kind of brand one. Okay. And then the last thing that we need is an activator. In this thing, I'm going to use Sta-Flo, but if you don't have Sta-Flo, you have Borax, that works too. Okay? And then of course, popsicle stick to stir it, or if you have plastic spoon, that works as well. Okay? So in this bowl, I already put up a 1/2 cup of Elmer's glue. So I just put it in there, and then food coloring also optional. If you don't want food coloring in there, that's totally fine. In this thing, I did glue and food coloring, and then you stir up together until you don't see any more white glue in there. Okay? So my favorite color is probably lilac. What is your favorite color, Melissa?
My favorite color is purple.
Oh, same that I do? Okay. How about you guys? What is your guys' favorite color? Just let me know in the comment down below, okay? So, alright, so it looks like this. It's almost all like stirred up really pretty. Okay, that's good now. Okay, so we might want to leave that for a bit. Now we're going to make our snow. So this recipe is called 1 tablespoon of snow with 6 ounces of water. Okay, it's roughly about 1 cup of water because I'm going to put 2 tablespoons. Open that up, and then take your 1 tablespoon of measuring cup and then put it in the glass container. If you don't have glass container, any container works. Put it in there. Okay, looks like this. See, looks like powder. Okay, so then you take 1/2 cup of measuring cup and put the water in there. Okay, this is so much fun, you guys. Okay, put water in there. See how fluffy it's getting. So it looks like this. See? So much fun, isn't it? It looks like real snow outside, but this is not snow, it's just powder. Okay, so we're going to set aside this for a second, and then coming back with our glue and food coloring mixture here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add water in here. I use 1/4 cup, so add it little by little and see how is the consistency. Okay, so you just mix it, mix until it's all mixed up and you don't see any more glue or water in there. So it's all combined all together, perfect and nicely like so. Okay, and then now, whoops, we're going to take our activator or Sta-Flo. Okay, this is the same recipe. I use all 1/4 cup of everything. Okay, with the activator though, you have to be careful. You want to add it little by little. Let's see how the consistency are. So you don't want to make it too liquidy and you don't want to make it too stretchy. So mix it like those. Okay. So mix until it's all nice and gooey. Alright, so it looks like slime right now, like so. Okay, looking good now. See, now you can touch it with your hands, but it's not done yet. See, you're not gonna touch it with your hands. So you want to keep kneading it until it's not stick on your hands anymore, like so. Okay? And then once you have this consistency like so, you want to put back into the bowl, because this is the fun part. We're going to add snow on it. So okay. Whoop. I found a popsicle stick in there. Let me move it. Woo. Okay, now you can use your hands and then mix it all together with your snow. And then you stretch it out like so. And then it will look more slimy if you add more snow. If you think you need more snow, and then you can add more snow too. But then you can stretch it out like so. And then this is your cloud slime. Doesn't it look like a cloud? See, it's pretty cool, isn't it? I know it's kind of messy, but you can clean it up later. So yeah, it looks like so. And then this recipe will be on the Community Go Pack on the week of January 18th, okay? Stay tuned for our science experiment and for our story time, and also for our Make It Monday. Until next time, I hope you guys have fun making these, and then if you try to make so, please leave us in a comment down below. Okay, I'll see. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great day.